Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Illustrator tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you on how to show your text character panel in Adobe Illustrator. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on Window. Then after click on Window, what you want to do next is to come down below right here and continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. Continue until you get to type right here. So what you want to do from type, just go ahead and navigate to character right here, or better still, you can simply press Ctrl T. So I'm going to click on character right here. Once you click on it, then you have your character panel in Illustrator. You can as well press Ctrl T. This will bring out your character panel. You have character, you have paragraph, and you have open type tool in Illustrator. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.